So today on Cooking on the Fly, I'll be making sea scallops. Let's do it. So this is what I have today. I have some sea scallops. I'm going to make those in a butter sauce with lemon and garlic. This is minced garlic here. I have some Roma tomatoes and some English cucumber, which I've already chopped up. And I'm going to attempt to make some Old Bay seasoning, although I don't have every ingredient. I'm going to do the best I can. I have ginger, bay leaves, nutmeg, paprika, celery salt, cinnamon, and of course salt and pepper. Okay, let's do it. Got my pan ready. I got the heat on medium high. I'm going to put a half a stick of butter in there. Now that the butter's melting, I'm going to put some minced garlic in here. I'm going to put some scallops in the pan. I'm going to put some more butter in here. Make this into a nice butter sauce. Got my salt and pepper, a little bit of ginger, tiny bit of nutmeg, some paprika, tiny bit of cinnamon, some celery salt, bay leaves. Now we're going to stir this up. Put the lid on. Let those cook. I did find some chili powder. Just a little. So I only was missing a few spices, maybe some ground mustard, some cardamom. But other than that, I think we got them all. So we'll let that simmer. Got some avocado oil. Gonna oil up this pan here. And turn it on medium heat. I'm going to take my tomatoes and my cucumbers, put them right in the pan. Using up these leftovers here. I've been eating these cucumbers all week, and today is the last day. They're starting to look a little shrivelly from being in the fridge. We'll cook them up. Salt and pepper, garlic salt. You can never have too much garlic. So I'm going to cook these up, and I'm going to come over here and check my scallops. Ooh, that smells delicious. I'm going to turn the heat down to low. and simmer those. And then I'm going to come back over here and cook these. This is my side dish here. I'm just going to mix these up. I have some shredded carrots. I'm going to throw those into the mix, but I'm going to wait until they're almost finished because these cook super fast. Ooh, I think these are done. I'm going to pull out the bay leaves, if I can find them. These are meal preps, so I got my container ready. I'm going to put these in my container right here on the side. This is what we got. Now it's time for the vegetables. Put some carrots in there. Got my container. I'm going to put some vegetables right in here. Okay, this is what we have. So you see we have this buttery sauce. I'm going to drizzle that on here. Don't want to waste it. Gonna take my lemon wedge and put that right in here as a garnish. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on here, just a tiny bit. And there it is.